What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to everybody that gave my last video support. I definitely want to keep on making these videos for you guys. So today I'm going to be doing a mod list on my 2012 Bmw E92 M3. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, I just want to get started with a little walk around video of my car first. So like I said in the intro, this is a 2012 Bmw E92 M3. Prior to this setup, I had a GTS front lip, Mag Blue T37s, and coilover suspension. So I do kind of miss having the TE37s in that whole setup, and the plan was originally to take it to the track like that, but I was always invited by a couple of my buddies to go to the track, and every time they invited me I kind of said, oh well, maybe next time. So I figured if I wasn't going to use the car for what I had it set up for, I might as well just kind of do something I've always wanted to do, which is bag a car and build some three-piece wheels for it. So that's exactly what I did, and I'll be going into a little bit more detail, and thank you guys for watching. So I'm going to start off with my favorite mod, my favorite piece of the car, just the piece that I feel like completes this car the most. So these are my Racing Dynamic S4s. They were discontinued back in 2002, so they're super rare, they're hard to come by. You can't really just go out and try to buy them. I had them completely redone, full polished lips, full polished faces, and then gold hardware. They're 19 by 10 in the front, 19 by 12 in the rear, and -5 degrees camber in the front, and then -7 degrees in the rear, just to get the look that I wanted. I wanted to tuck all four, so that's what I had to do to get this to this fitment and just this look. But this is easily my favorite piece of the car. I've had people reach out to me from everywhere just trying to buy these off me, and I couldn't let them go right now. They're just my all-time favorite wheel, and I don't even know if I'd even sell these. These are just, they're too hard to come by, honestly, just to even like try to let go. But so these are easily my favorite piece of the car. I'll show you the fronts right now in a bit, but these are the wheels. And then for the front of the car, we have the GT4 front lip by Horizon Motorsports. If you need any carbon fiber pieces, even for your F80, E90, I mean, there's a lot of stuff to choose from. So check out Horizon Motorsports. They hooked me up on this GT4 lip. The reason I went with this lip is because of how aggressive it was, and I love the way it looks on like a bagged car. I don't know why, it looks really good on a bagged car. Previously, I actually had a GTS lip by AJM Motorsports. That's also my go-to if I was to get a GTS lip again. But other than that, I have the black kidney grills. For the headlights, nothing too special about them. I like the OEM look better than the aftermarket look personally. But all I have done to these are the Lux 180 H8s, and I like that look just because it's an LED look over like the OEM bulb is kind of like, they're kind of orange, so I definitely like that a little bit better. It gives it a little bit more modern look. But as far as the front, that's kind of it, guys. So for the interior, I have a Studio RSR 4-point half cage, and then I have that in white to match the car, obviously. And then I also have a pair of Sparko QRTR bucket seats, as well as a M Junkie Alcantara Armrest Elite. I also do have a red push start button that adds a little bit to the details of the interior, so I like it a lot. My girlfriend got that for me. So overall, my interior is pretty simple, but I have a lot done. My back seats I actually have completely out right now. My original plan was to build a rear section sheet delete. I actually did build one, kind of got over it mid-process and just kind of tossed it. So I do eventually want to get one like custom fabricated for my interior, but as far as my interior, that's pretty much it, guys. This is my trunk setup. So I have my 4-gallon tank suspended, and then I have my 2 compressors here on this custom board that my homie Brendan made, and then obviously the management on this in the center. So it is nice because I do have my tank suspended, so that way if I ever wanted to go to the groceries or just needed to put stuff in my trunk, I have all the room for it, just because my tank isn't in the way. So I really like the way my trunk is set up. Super simple and just super clean. Chris making a video now. I'll drop his Instagram down below. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the overview video mod list on my E92 M3. If you guys want to see something else, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. What is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Why do I fucking do that? Alright guys, so these are, and this, okay, alright, I started that over. I'll start that over too.